Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another recipe. Today I'm going to show how to prepare fruit custard. Hope you all like it. For making fruit custard, we'll boil milk. I'm using 2 cups of milk. This is a full fat milk. Let it boil. While milk is boiling in separate bowl, add half cup of milk. In this milk, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Mix this nicely. In this, just for a flavor, I am adding few drops of vanilla essence. Milk is boiled nicely. Now we will add custard mixture. Now on a very low flame, cook it for some more time. Mix this continuously. If you don't mix this continuously, at the bottom it will burn. Cook it till the milk gets little thickened. While milk is getting little thickened, we will add sugar to it. I am adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Too much sugar is no needed in this because we will add all the fruits in it, so the sweetness of fruits will be enough. And mix this nicely. Keep on stirring. Our custard is little thickened. Now we will switch off the flame and remove it in another container. You don't think it is too liquidy right now. After cooling completely, it will thick more. Now after cooling slightly, we will freeze it. These are the fruits I am using for the custard. Few grapes, strawberry, apple, banana and dates and few nuts. You can use any types of fruits which are available with you, but I suggest don't add papaya. Now I will chop all these into small pieces. Chopped all the fruits finely. Our milk custard is also cooled. After cooling slightly, I have freezed it for 2 hours. It's completely chill now. I will show 2 ways of serving custard. One way of serving custard is in a bowl. At bottom, add fruit pieces. On this, now we will pour our custard mixture. On that, add any flavor of ice cream. Again, serve some fruits on the top. That's it. One way of serving custard is ready. The other way of serving the custard is I am adding all the fruits into the custard mixture. Mix this nicely. After mixing it nicely, again freeze it for half an hour, and that's it. Our fruit custard, second way of serving fruit custard is ready. That's it for the video. Meet you with another recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.